Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new topic that is how things get in and out of the blood. Page number 140 of your book. In this topic, we are going to discuss that how things come out from the blood towards the cells or from the cell into the blood. Here you can see the capillary which contains blood. Capillaries are very small vessels of blood. So in this capillary there is a blood having a plasma contains water and food components that we eat different kind of food, and that food decompose and diffuse into the blood, and blood carry the food to all the cells of the body. So here are different components in this blood. These components diffused into the cells. In between these capillaries and the body cell there is fluid there is tissue fluid tissue liquid. Through this tissue fluid, the material, the food, the water diffuse into the cells, and the waste material, the urea, the carbon dioxide of the cell diffuse into the capillaries. In this way, these waste excrete out from the cells of the body. So in capillaries or in the cells, there is between them there is a fluid that is responsible to take in and out the things from the blood or from the cells of the organs of different body parts. Next, we having a topic that is blood circulation. Page number 141 of your book. In human body there is blood circulation that is basically double circulation. What does it mean, the double circulation means the blood moves once in a whole body but twice through heart. Blood passes through the heart twice and it goes once around the body. First, the oxygenated blood from the lungs move towards the heart. Here you can see to the left side of the heart. Then it goes to the aorta. Aorta is responsible to transfer this blood towards the head and arms, towards the different organs like liver, stomach, intestine, kidneys, and lower legs, lower body parts. So through aorta, the blood moves through the whole body towards the upper side of the body or towards the lower side of the body. So this blood is oxygenated. After that, when all the organs get the oxygen from the blood becomes deoxygenated. So then this deoxygenated blood move towards the heart. Heart pump this deoxygenated blood through pulmonary artery towards the lungs. So here you can see the blood moves twice, or the blood passes twice through the heart and once through the whole body. Next, the next topic is blood vessels. Page number 142 of your book. As we know, there are three types of blood vessels: arteries, artery, veins, and capillaries. Artery contain oxygenated blood, veins contain deoxygenated blood, and capillaries are very very thin vessels which contains oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. From heart, the blood go go in arteries, and these arteries carry blood to the whole body. These arteries divided into very fine vessels. These fine vessels are called capillaries, and these fine vessels carry oxygenated blood. As we know, the whole body cells are surrounded by the capillaries. So these capillaries, which contain food and water, help to diffuse food and water into the cells of the body, and the waste from the cells of the body move towards the capillaries. When these capillaries carry the waste material and transport or pass all the food and oxygen to the cells, now these capillaries are deoxygenated. These deoxygenated capillaries are combined together and make a vein. And these veins move towards the heart and carry deoxygenated blood and pass or transport this deoxygenated blood to the heart. Heart pump this deoxygenated blood towards the lungs, and this process repeat again. Arteries having basically thick walls because the blood pressure is very high when blood is passes through the heart. The blood which contains oxygen, that blood having a high pressure. So that's why arteries having a thick walls. Non and arteries are non elastic fibers. Capillaries having a very thin walls. Veins also having a thin walls because the blood pressure is very low when the blood is moving through the veins, because all the oxygen is transported. Now the blood do not contain that much food and oxygen, and the direction of the blood is opposite, so that's why the pressure of the blood is very low. In veins there are walls. These walls prevent the movement of blood into opposite direction. Here you can see. When blood is moving upward, these walls point to point closed, and all the blood move in upward direction. Due to that closure of the walls, the blood cannot move in backward direction.